The main purpose of Facebook is to connect people with their friends, family, co-workers, or others with similar interests. With more than 1 billion users, the network dominates the world of social media. For businesses, Facebook can play a crucial part in the customer journey, helping to raise brand and product awareness right through to creating loyal customers. The network can also serve to help build your email database, drive e-commerce sales, and support customer service functions. In this course, we'll explore how to leverage the platform to achieve real business ROI, from growing your online communities and engagement rates right through to measuring the monetary value of your activities. By the end, you will be able to confidently deliver content and campaigns that achieve real business results. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!